So I'm going to go over the difference between parameters and arguments and functions. Alright, so I'm going to make a function called this is just a video to go because I hear many misconceptions in the Roblox scripting community. Insert a parameter here, insert an argument here. Well, what is the actual term for that? It's actually quite simple. Essentially, arguments are or actual parameters, as it's called in the C++ community. So when you make a function, I'm going to just call this test function. Right? We notice we have the function name, normal setup for functions. Well, when you've passed an argument into a function, this is called the formal parameter. It's a parameter type. It's known as, literally called the formal parameter. It's the literal definition. This is known as the parameter while setting up a function. Now, if I were to, I'm going to put a return A, right? Okay, so now it'll return the thing when we call the function. Now, if I call that function, if I call test, and I give it 1 as A, this is known as the actual parameter. Or as most people call it, argument. There is a difference, trust me. If you learn C++, Python, anything, this is the literal definitions. Actual parameter is the parameter you put into during the function call. This is the actual parameter. The formal parameter is the parameter you give to the function when it is assigned using the function header. The function header being this right here. Now, if you have any confusion, it's pretty simple to understand. When you call the function and you give it a parameter, it is called a argument or actual parameter. When you make a function using a function header like this, function header is this right here, it is called a formal parameter. There's no other definitions. Their definitions are formal parameter and actual parameter, or if you want to shorten down, actual parameter argument. Those are the definitions for function parameters and arguments. If you have any questions, message me on Discord.